मानव तू मानव बन, सब छोड़ के पागलपन, सब छोड़ के पागलपन. Always my Gurudev used to say one thing, जननी तेरी तो है फिर ना जनेगी, अब ना बनी तो फिर ना बनेगी. Here Gurudev basically used this word Janani for mother. Janani referred to mother. Janani stands for mother, who gives birth to us. Are you getting my point? What I am saying? Today I am very frustrated after looking a video. That's why I am telling like that. That's why I am explaining all these things. Try to remember, try to understand what I am saying, and maybe if suppose it is possible for you, so that basically you people should implement all these things that I am saying. My Gurudev always says one thing, जननी तोरी तो है फिर ना जनेगी, अब ना बनी तो फिर ना बनेगी. नर्तन बार बार नहीं मिलता, भैया अब ना सजी तो फिर ना सजेगी. First of all, I am giving way opportunity to say something, because today I get a golden opportunity to say something on this particular thing. You know, I was looking a video on the YouTube in which basically I used to see a crowd of people was beating a sant. Already you people aware from all these things. I am talking about the story of Palghar's Sadhu. Okay, this story basically happened in the Maharashtra before 4 months ago. But today we people are not talking about that. You know why? Because समय का चक्र है, it does not remain same. So we people are moving forward. I am not talking to that. I am not saying you all that what we should do. Okay, but I would like to add one point for you all. You all means including me also. I am also as like you. That does not matter that if I am talking like that, if I am giving advice to you all, it does not mean that this is not for me. This is also for me, because I am as like you. I am talking about ourselves. I am talking about we all. The topic for the today is, today I will not say what you should do. Either you should read the religious books or not, because in this channel always I used to upload a religious thing. But today I am talking like a man, simple man. One thing basically hurted me today. How it could be possible? Try to understand. We people are living in the democratic India, in which every people, you know what is the meaning of democratic? Democratic means we all are free to do anything. Our constitution gives freedom to we all, freedom to us. But it does not mean that we people can do anything. No. It is very easy to break something, but it's become very difficult to join two people. You know, advice is in the nature of the people, but giving advice, it is very easy, but to implement on that, it is very hard. I remember in my engineering life, when I was in the first year of my engineering, I met a teacher whose name was SN Daga. In the first lecture, basically he used to say one thing. He used to say one thing that hardness is basically, he was giving the definition of hardness. So first line he was saying, he said that hardness is very difficult to define. Any person can give you advice, but it is very difficult to define the meaning of advice. So I am not giving you advice. I am as like you. How can I advise you? No. I am a simple man. But despite this, I am saying one thing, that I am not saying that what you should do. Either you should read a religious book, either you should read a Ramayana or anything. I will not speak like Pravachan. No. Today I will not speak anything. Only and only one thing that I would like to tell you all, my brother and sister. How can we take the कानून को हम हाथ में कैसे ले सकते हैं? Okay, are you getting my point? I hope you are understanding why I am talking like this. I observed that a crowd of people in the presence of policemen was started beating a Sant, a Mahatma. I am not talking about Sant Mahatma. Okay, I am not covering this report because he was Sant Mahatma. No. The problem is that at that place anybody can. Maybe हमारा या आपका कोई भाई होता हुआ. Now let us suppose I am talking about mob lynching. Directly I am saying, I am talking about mob lynching. Let us suppose if you are riding your bike and suddenly if you hurt someone, if your bike collide with someone, and let us suppose, just imagine that the frontier will emerge from his car and he will start beating you, and along with that particular person, if the crowd of people will start beating you, maybe you lost your life. Now tell me, why we people are taking the law in our hand? Tell me. That's why I am telling one thing. No one is here who can say anything to you till you will not agree. Try to understand over which topic I am going to discuss. That's why in the beginning of this video I used to say one thing. मानव तू मानव बन, सब छोड़ के पागल बन. No one is here who can advise you. No one is here who can stop you from doing anything. But still, I am praying to you all. I am not only claiming you all, including me also. I am talking about ourselves. I am talking about my family. Okay. जिंदगी में जो भी करना है करिए. No one is here who can stop you from doing anything. But I am requesting you all, don't be a part of mob lynching. God don't gives us a opportunity. God will not give us the opportunity like man. Maybe in the next birth, no one can say that what will happen in the next birth. So if we people got the opportunity to do something better, so how can we beat other? How can we kill other? Okay. In the crowd of people, basically how can it possible? I am telling you, a crowd of people starts beating someone. Okay. A particular person thinks that only I am beating, But along with that particular person, there are many peoples who used to beat the frontier. It means, you know, a single body, a single body को कितनी चोट लगती है। हम आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हम तो अकेले इसको पीट रहे हैं, एक एक डंडे अगर सबको पड़ते हैं, सामने वाला अपनी लाइफ को गवा देता है। नाउ टेल मी who gives us the right to do such type of non-texting with the other? No, it is not our right. इसलिए मैंने, that's why I used to say one thing in the beginning of the video, that मानव तो मानव बन। I'm not saying you all that you should become an engineer, no, ये तो बहुत दूर की बात है यार, इंसान बने हैं हम लोग। इसलिए I am not talking about Ramayana, I am not talking about Mahabharata, I am not talking about Srimad Bhagavad Mahapurana, I am not talking about Srimad Bhagavad Gita, I am not talking about, मैं तो सिर्फ इतना कह रहा हूँ, it is very simple. We people can implement all these things in our life. It is very easy, yaar. Try to understand what I am saying. In Manu Smriti, Manu means what? No? Manu is basically the father of the entire universe. मनु हम लोग के पिता हैं, और मनु महाराज जो लिखते हैं मीन्स हम लोग के फादर ऑफ द इंटायर human kingdom is Manu Maharaj. And Manu Maharaj basically mentioned all these things in the Manu Smriti. You can visit there. After that you will find everything. In Manu Smriti basically he is saying, he states that Manur Bhava, mere bacche, my child, listen carefully. That does not matter either you are getting success or not. Success, meaning of success is not that you are being a doctor, you are being an engineer. This is the incomplete definition of success. Yeah, definitely money is basically essential to survive, but the first thing is humanity. Okay, so in the holy book Manu Smriti, our father mentioned one thing, मेरे बच्चे, my child, always follow one thing, मनुर भवा, मनुर भवा, मनुर भवा। मानव तू मानव बन, सब छोड़ के पागलपन बस। During giving the birth, a mother has to be suffered from the difficulty, has to be suffered from the pain, you know. But despite this, mother always gives birth to her child, and after some time, when people starts growing, people starts doing something non-text. Okay, so from our side, I would like to say one thing. I would like to request you all that in the future, if you have an opportunity to drink, basically you can. If you have an opportunity to do something non-text, basically you can. Let us suppose if in the future you will get the opportunity to beat someone in the market, please, I am requesting you all, I am saluting you all, I am requesting, because in one hand mobile is, you know, in my hand, that's why from one hand I am saluting you all. Please don't do such type of non-texting from your side. I am talking about mob lynching. कभी नहीं। आज वो साधु था, कल को हम हो सकते हैं, आप हो सकते हैं, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो सकती है, मे बी। Out of 100%, in 95% case, basically that happened only and only because of misunderstanding. Okay, misunderstanding. And let us suppose if the frontier is really accused, who gives you the right to do such type of non-text things? Who gives you the right? Okay, so please don't take it on your ego. Don't take it your ego, because I am simply talking like this because really I am hurted because of such type of things. हमारी केयर हमारे को अपने आप करनी पड़ेंगी। जीवन में पंडित संत महात्मा किताब पढ़ने से ही ज्ञान नहीं होता। माई मदर ऑलवेज सेज वन थिंग and that I am following. You know, she always used to say one thing, that my son, always remember one thing in your life. It is not possible that everything you can buy from the market. Sometimes you will have to do something special. You will have to arrange the things. मेरी मम्मी हमेशा कहती है, जीवन में कुछ कहने बोल, कुछ दिखने बोल, कुछ करके सीखो, कुछ देख कर सीखो, लेकिन सीखो जरूर। तो हिंदी में कह रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती। हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि जीवन में हर पाप की सज़ा माफ़ हो जाती है, लेकिन मॉब लिंचिंग का पार्ट कभी मत बनिए। दूर की बात ये नहीं है कि आज कोई बुरे व्यक्ति को हम पीट रहे हैं, कभी कभी इस आवेश में एक अच्छा व्यक्ति भी को जीवन गंवाना पड़ता है। कल को वो साधु था, कल को हम होंगे। और इस वीडियो को देख करके आप लोगों को, इफ़ पीपल आर फीलिंग वेरी अनहैप्पी फॉर मी, सो that will be better. At least for one time you people should visit on the YouTube and you can see the video of पालघर साधु। ओके, जिस साधु को इतना बेरहमी से पीटा गया, शायद उस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपको मेरी बातें जरूर अच्छी लगी। आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा राधे राधे, बहुत बहुत प्रणाम। फिर एक बार कहूँ, डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाए कोई बात नहीं, इंजीनियरिंग नहीं बन पाए कोई बात नहीं, इंसान बनना हमारी सबसे प्रायोरिटी है। इंसान बनिए यार, इंसान बनिए, और इंसान बनोगे तो पैसे अपने आप आ जाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।